guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Crypto First Electric Ether lives on verge of merge by Meta Sings and Lisa Pauline. It looks like Ethereum's mega upgrade is happening finally. After years of delays, the merge seems all but certain to take place in September, with cryptography underlying the blockchain undergoing a radical shift to a system where the creation of new Ether tokens become far less energy intensive. It's an exciting time for the Ethereum ecosystem, said Umar Sheikh, CEO founder of smart contract platform Shardam. I think there will be drama surrounding the merge, but I don't think there will be any technical hiccups. Investors seem to agree with either outstripping big brother Bitcoin. Ether has seen six consecutive weeks of gains, pushing it up from 1 or 2 year low of 880 dollars in mid-June to levels closing is on $200, even though it's way off its number 2021 peak. Bitcoin has paled in compression, rebounding 37% from its June low. Ether is growing away at behemoth Bitcoin's market share. Crypto is still very tightly coupled. I think when the merge successfully completes, it could drive up the price of Bitcoin as well, said Alex Miller, CEO of Hiro, which builds developer tools to create applications for Bitcoin. If Ethereum's creators succeed, as is largely expected, it could be a game changer for the Bitcoin, making it cheaper to mine and easy to adopt for vintage and other crypto application. Of course, little is assured about the elusive transition, which has been delayed several times, with developers most recently axing plans to push the bottom in June. An unnerving investor who began to fear it might never see the light of day. The merge is also is fraught with risks, and the fortunes of the roughly 122 million Ether in circulation, worth about $232 billion, could be at stake should it fail. If the upgrade doesn't go well, it would set the entire crypto world back 5 or 10 years, Heroes Miller said. Difficult bomb. The Ethereum blockchain currently uses the energy-intensive proof of work, or POW, method of validating blocks wherein miners use massive amounts of power to quickly solve complex computational problems to win newly minted coins. On a parallel chain, Ethereum has been testing a proof of stake, or POS, system that only requires miners to stake their coins to validate transaction and create new blocks. It promises reduction in the blockchain's energy consumption, and prepares it for faster transactions. Not everyone's happy about the imminent merger of the two systems, notably either miners whose expensive mining rigs will be rendered obsolete and can't be used for mining Bitcoin either. Ether mining has hitherto been more profitable than Bitcoin mining. Ether miners made $18 billion in 2022 for Bitcoin miners, according to Arsene Research. Some miners have decided to shift to mining the next best option, such as the tokens Ethereum Classic or Coin. At least one miner has declared plans to resist and continue mining Ethereum, raising the specter of some people keeping the POWY chain running in its current form even after the merge, likely competing with the upgraded blockchain. Okay guys, that's all from me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.